Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a huge leap forward for AI image editing. You've probably seen AI that can create images from text, but what about editing existing photos with simple commands? The problem is, for an AI to get really good at this, it needs a massive, high-quality library of examples to learn from, and that's been a major bottleneck. Well, researchers at Apple have just introduced a solution called Pico Banana 400K. It's a huge new dataset with nearly 400,000 examples of text-guided image edits. What makes it special is that it's built from real photographs, not just synthetically generated ones. So how did they create this massive collection? They started with a huge pool of real images from the Open Images collection. Then, they used a powerful AI model called NanoBanana to perform an edit based on a text instruction, like, change the weather to snowy. But here's the clever part. They used another advanced AI, Gemini 2.5 Pro, to act as a judge. This AI judge would check if the edit followed the instruction correctly and looked realistic. If an edit didn't pass the quality check, the system would automatically try again. And the variety of edits is incredible. The dataset covers everything from simple requests like applying a seasonal transformation to changing an image into a completely different artistic style. They can add new objects to a scene or even transform a photo of a person into a Lego minifigure or a Funko Pop toy. To ensure diversity, the edits are organized across 35 distinct types. This isn't just random changes, it's a systematic collection covering everything from pixel-level adjustments to full scene composition changes. The dataset also includes specialized subsets for more complex research. One part has multi-turn sequences, which is like having a back-and-forth conversation to make several edits to one image. Another is a preference subset, which contains both a successful edit and a failed one for the same instruction. This is crucial for teaching AI the difference between a good result and a bad one, making them more reliable. Here's a great example of a multi-turn edit. Starting with a pumpkin, the AI first applies a vintage filter, then replaces the background, then transforms it into a winter scene, and finally adjusts the lighting to a warm glow. This shows how AI could handle a sequence of creative steps. So, let's recap the important points. The researchers analyzed the results and found that global edits, like changing the overall style, were relatively easy for the AI. However, edits requiring precise control, like moving an object to a specific spot or changing text on a sign, are still very challenging. What does this mean for the future? By releasing this large-scale, high-quality, and shareable dataset, the team provides a powerful new tool for the entire AI community. This resource will help train and benchmark the next generation of image editing models, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Ultimately, this could lead to incredibly powerful and intuitive creative tools for everyone. That's all for today's look at Pico Banana 400K. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.